Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to have you with me today. Our word of the day is alike. This is a C1 level adverb that means in a similar way. It's a fantastic word to use when you want to talk about things that share similarities or when actions are carried out in a comparable manner. Let's dive into how we can use alike in our everyday conversations. Imagine you're describing how two friends behave. You could say, Emma and Olivia think alike when it comes to solving problems. Or, if you're talking about how two projects were completed, you might say, the tasks were approached alike, with careful planning and creativity. It's a simple and versatile word that adds clarity to comparisons. Some synonyms for alike include similarly, equally, and comparably. For example, instead of saying, the twins dress alike, you could say, the twins dress similarly. Or you might say, the rules apply equally to everyone. These words can often be swapped with alike depending on the context. On the flip side, antonyms for alike include differently, distinctly, and divergently. For instance, if you're comparing two artists with unique styles, you might say, they approach their art differently. Or, when discussing how siblings behave, you could say, although they're twins, they act distinctly in many situations. In everyday life, alike often pops up in casual conversations. You might hear someone say, we think alike, that's why we make such a great team. Or, if you're complimenting two similar outfits, you could say, those two dresses look alike, but I love the details on both. It's also common in phrases like great minds think alike, which is a playful way to acknowledge shared ideas. Here are a few more sentences to illustrate how alike can be used. The two sisters speak so much alike that it's hard to tell them apart on the phone. His writing style and hers are surprisingly alike, considering they've never worked together before. Gardens were designed alike, with a focus on symmetry and balance. To wrap things up, alike is a wonderful word to express similarity in actions or characteristics. It's easy to use and brings clarity to comparisons, whether you're talking about people, things, or ways of doing something. Thank you so much for tuning in today and exploring this word with me. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and join our community of language enthusiasts. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using alike and share it in the comments below. Let's keep learning and growing together. Until next time, I'm Alex, and this is Hello Word. See you soon.